This is Brandon with Mountains of Sound Home Inspection, and this is a 1-minute home inspection. Hey, here we are. We are looking at this electrical panel in this garage, this inspection we're doing here. I'm going to cut to the chase here and let you know what we're seeing here. We got this couple of yellow wire nuts here, focused there. And let's see what these go to. So we got just kind of random wires here. This one goes down this way. There's that black wire there into this little junction box. Not sure exactly what that does. Let's follow it back up the white wire. And here we go. We see it in a double tap in the main lug line of this electrical panel. Basically, this is a big no-no. This is homeowner type work, which is really what we're often seeing in our home inspections. Anytime we're doing an inspection, we're looking for major issues, homeowner work that they're just not doing it right. If this wasn't a licensed electrician doing something like this, definitely worth an investigation, because this is certainly not the right way to do it. One thing I'll point out to you is I can see what they're doing here. This electrical panel is completely full. There's no more breakers you can add here. So they're trying to cut some corners here, but that's just not the right way to do it, and has become a bit of a hazard here in this case. So we'll point this out to these home buyers, make sure that they are aware of this one, and we'll keep plugging along on this inspection. This is Brandon, your favorite home inspector. We'll see you on the next one.